As the temperature starts to drop, it's absolutely crucial that you test your HVAC system before the cold weather really sets in. The last thing you want is to find out your system isn't working when your home isn't warm enough to keep you comfortable and safe. Let's start with your thermostat. Switch it to heating mode and set it to a few degrees higher than the current room temperature. You should hear your furnace kick on within a few seconds. If it doesn't, or if it takes a while, that's a red flag. You don't want to wait until the first cold night to discover there's a problem. Get a professional in to check it out right away. Once your system is running, go around and check the vents in each room to make sure there's warm air coming out consistently. If some rooms feel cooler or have weaker airflow, you could be dealing with a duct blockage or a failing system. This is not something to ignore. Uneven heating can lead to big issues when it's freezing outside. Another crucial step is checking your furnace filter. A clogged filter can strain your system, reducing its efficiency and even causing it to overheat and shut down. Hold your filter up to the light. If you can't see through it at all, it's definitely time for a new one. You can also tell by the color. If it's a dark gray, it's also time for a new one. A clean filter not only keeps your system running smooth, but also ensures that your home heats up quickly when you need it the most. After doing all this, make sure your home is warming up evenly. If it's not, or you notice any issues, it's better to address them now while the weather is still mild. Trust me, you don't want to be scrambling to fix your HVAC system when it's already cold outside. So make it a priority this fall to test your HVAC system before it gets cold. It's a critical step to ensuring your home stays warm, comfortable, and safe all winter long. If you want to learn more about home maintenance, check out my Handy Homeowner online course. Stay safe, stay proactive, and I'll see you in the next video.